Hello all. In this SPSS exercise, we will go through the steps for practice demonstration on producing frequency distribution and graphs. Our aim is here to create frequency table and graph for political view variable. Respondents were asked to answer the question on their political views by indicating the extremely liberal, slightly liberal, moderate, or slightly conservative, or extremely conservative. So in this Word document, I have given all the steps, but we'll look into how we can do it on SPSS. But you can always refer it to this, all these steps. Those are given here. So first, what we have to do is we have to see where we have this file called GSS14SSDSA. You click on it and open that file. It will automatically open in SPSS. In SPSS, as we have seen, that there is data view and variable view. What we have to do here is there are numerous variables here. We will click on the analysis on the top tab, click on descriptive, then frequency. Once you are into this frequency dialog box, you will see the list of variables here, but they are like a list of labels by default. Those are visible, but you want to see the variable name. We are interested in preparing the frequency of political views. So what we do here, you right click on this variable list. You will find the option of displaying variable names. You click on display variable name, so you can see political view as one of the variable name as you scroll down. So what you do, just select the political view and then click on this so that it will come in the variables space. And then what we do, we are also interested in preparing charts. So since this particular political view is like a nominal variable, we can select bar chart. The histogram is helpful for the other kind of variables if it is continuous or intervals, but here we are interested in bar chart, so we just select bar chart, continue, then click on OK. Once you click on OK, you will see the results in the output box. For any reason, if you are not able to see particular window, you go in this top window and then you can see this output or other window, but by default it will open up this output. But in case you are not able to find the output, you can click on this output here. You can see this screen. So here we have the results. We have 1442 valid results. As you see, 1500 people responded. However, we have only 1442 as valid results, and the frequency for each of the responses, for extremely liberal we have 50, liberal 187 people responded. So likewise you can see how many people responded for what political view, and then for each frequency we can see the percent, but this percent are related to the 1500, the total responses, but some are not really valid, like don't know or not applicable. So we are always interested in valid percent. So when you're preparing your charts for your reports for analysis, we use this valid percent and then cumulative percent of this valid percent. So for cumulative percent, we have 3.5 here, we add 13 here, so it becomes 16.4. So as you can see, as we go down, we keep adding the previous percents, and then it becomes 100 at the end. So as we scroll down, we can also see the bar chart here on this x-axis. There are different views, vertical views, and then number of people who responded. So as you see, most of them responded as moderate. Slightly conservatives are more than slightly liberal, and you can see this data is based on GSS. So this is the graphic representation of frequency and the graphic representation of frequency and the graphs for this particular data. So if you have any questions, you can always refer to this document on each step 1, 2, what you need to do, and this will be helpful for you to practice and follow these guidelines so that you can work on similar examples or similar data variables to create frequency and graphs. Thank you.